The difference between those who succeed and those who don't? Action. That's all. Remember, each one of you will go through the same training. You gotta watch the same video. 80% of my videos right now are the same videos na yung mga ginawa ng mga successful students ko since I was starting. So, what is the difference nung estudyante naging kumita at sa estudyante hindi? Action. That's all. They got the same mentor. They got the same me. They got the same access sa akin. The same amount of access sa akin. Like ngayon, umattend kayo ng training. Some of you, I can see asking a lot of questions. Some of you, hindi ko alam kung bakit ka umattend. Para lang ma-entertain kita or ma-engage ka. Pick. It's okay to learn, my friend. But if you don't take action, you have to increase output versus input. Ulitin ko po and write it down. Hashtag, post mo sa timeline mo sa Facebook, post mo sa Instagram. And that is, quote, increase output, decrease input. Close quote, dash, Jon Orana. Increase output, decrease input. Because our brain is pretty crazy. It's pretty tricky yan. Sometimes, if you feed that information, listening to videos and inspirational and all those things, and you read books crazy like me, you consume information, it makes you feel that you're accomplishing something, right? That's why some people magpo-post sa Facebook, oh my, this is what I'm gonna do. Gonna do this week. May kasi natitrigger sa mind natin that when you say, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, ang tingin ng mind natin, you've accomplished something, you did something. Magkaiba yun. And that is something that you need to work on. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.